Six Sigma projects are typically delivered using the DMAIC framework. DMAIC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. Think of it as a structured roadmap for solving problems. Rather than jumping straight to solutions, DMAIC helps teams understand the problem, identify the root causes, implement improvements, and make sure the gains are sustained. Let's walk through a real-world example from a UK local authority housing repair service. The council was receiving complaints because tenants were waiting too long for routine repairs. The target was to complete repairs within 14 days, but many jobs were taking over 25 days. In the define phase, the team clearly defined the problem. Tenant satisfaction was falling, complaints were increasing, and repair delays were creating additional workload for staff. The project goal was to reduce the average repair completion time from 25 days to under 14 days. In the measure phase, the team collected data on hundreds of repair requests. They tracked how long jobs spent in each stage of the process, from the initial report through to completion. The data revealed that the actual repair work often took less than 1 day. Most of the delay was occurring while jobs waited to be scheduled. In the analysis phase, the team investigated why scheduling was taking so long. Process mapping and data analysis showed that repairs were being manually assigned by multiple coordinators using different methods. Jobs were often moved between teams several times before an engineer was allocated. The team also discovered that nearly 20% of appointments failed because the required materials had not been ordered in advance. In the improve phase, the council introduced a standard scheduling process and created simple rules for automatically assigning jobs to available engineers. They also introduced a materials checklist to ensure common parts were ordered before appointments were booked. After piloting the changes for 6 weeks, average repair completion time fell from 25 days to 11 days. Tenant complaints reduced significantly, and engineers spent more time completing repairs instead of traveling between unnecessary appointments. Finally, in the control phase, the team created a performance dashboard showing average completion time, overdue jobs, and repeat visits. Managers reviewed the data each week to ensure the improvements were maintained. 6 months later, performance remained stable, and the new process had become the standard way of working. This example demonstrates the power of DMAIC. The team didn't start by guessing solutions. They defined the problem, measured the process, analyzed the evidence, improved the root causes, and controlled the gains. The result was faster service, lower costs, happier tenants, and a process that continued to perform long after the project had finished. Free resources for all your continuous improvement needs at simplicityhub.co.uk.